Python uses different modes to open files, controlling how you interact with them. The default "R" is for reading. Use open file.txt, R, and F, read, to view existing data. For writing, use W, open, new.txt, W, creates a new file or overwrites an existing one. Then write, ideal for new reports or replacing content. To append data, use A, open, log.txt, A, adds content to the end. Great for maintaining logs. Finally, modes like A plus allow both reading and writing. Choose wisely for safe and effective file operations.
This Python script demonstrates various file opening modes by creating, modifying, and reading different files. It begins by ensuring a clean slate by removing any existing temporary files. Throughout its execution, the script prints clear messages indicating which mode is being used in the expected outcome.
The example first uses the "W" write mode to create example_text_file. txt write initial content, effectively overwriting it if it already existed. Immediately after, their "read" mode is employed to retrieve and display the file's contents, showing that the write operation was successful. The script then demonstrates the append mode, adding new lines to the end of the text file without altering the existing content, followed by another read to confirm the appended data.
Next, the "X" exclusive creation mode is illustrated by creating new _exclusive_file.txt. A subsequent attempt to open the same file with X mode successfully triggers and handles a file exists error, showcasing its utility in preventing accidental overwrites of existing files. Plus read and write mode is then applied to example_text_file.txt. Where a line is read, the file pointer is repositioned. New data is written to the beginning. And truncate is called to remove old content after the new write, followed by a final read to display the modified file.